Today my topic is about 3 methods for organizing product management. Before we start talking about this topic, let's start from talking needs. Whatever the human needs, or the company's needs, or the organization's need. I have a cup of Pepsi here. I just finished it. Now I have 2 choices. The first choice I can refill is a whole cup of Pepsi. Okay, because I really enjoy the flavor of Pepsi. I really love the Coke made by Pepsi. And the second choice is that I really enjoyed Pepsi. So I really deeply want to taste something new. Something like Pepsi Diet, Pepsi Zero, or some other beverage made by Pepsi, like Gary. Like that. That means I have some new needs. For the organizations, they have to do whatever they can do to satisfy customers' need. So for the first thing, they have to manage their facilities, their staff, to continue doing all the Pepsis, the traditional Pepsi for all the customers. But for the second part, for the people who want to taste some new Pepsi, since that means Pepsi need to develop some new product, like Pepsi Diet, Pepsi Zero. Maybe the Pepsi Zero with the cherry flavor is the best. Am I right? Okay, now let's introduce all the concepts. The first method is called Marketing Manager System, which is more concerned that one person who is responsible for everything of one brand, such as promotional sales, advertising, research, sales, PR, and everything. The people can afford all the responsibilities on his shoulder. This is pretty tired, but this is a one-man performance. It's just like, for example, this guy, this manager, he's more like the Chinese emperor. He has to deal with all the things happen in his country, and he has to afford all the responsibilities of his citizens. The other system is called Brand Manager System, which also be called as Product Management System, which means a manager has to focus on one brand or just some small groups, because he has to afford all the responsibilities for one brand. For this system, it's just more like a category management system. Here are 2 defects. One is the manager of this system are not concerned with new products. Most of brand managers, they have to afford the small group or a whole brand. Just by individual brand. They have put all their energies into this brand, all these small groups. So most of them do not have enough energies to develop new products to satisfy customers' need. And the second one, the managers are always only worrying about the brand they are managing, but not the whole organization's profit. If your responsibility is only to guarantee the profit of your brand, and you do not need to worry about the whole organization's profit. Because here are so many parts of the organizations, people should be responsible for their own part, but not the whole company. So that also means to manage the whole company is very difficult for the CEO. So for the brand manager system, the manager of this system is much more like a governor of states, who is only concerned about the citizens in his states, and not concerned the people in the whole country. So that is the reason why people think that marketing manager system is be seen as superior of brand manager system. The manager of manager system, who is controlling many parts of this organization, but the brand manager system's manager, who is only control a part of this organization, or just a part of the group. So now let's introduce our final concept, which is called cross-functional team. For this kind of team, people need them. This team could combine all the parts of the organizations together to work really hard to develop the new stuff for the customers. Is there a new department could help marketing management system and brand management system to develop new product in the organization? The answer is yes. A successful product from the organization that has to bring all the functions to bear the problems of customers. And the cross-functional team has this ability to solve all these problems to making the new product for the organizations and the customers. A cross-functional team is also be called as venture team, for it incorporates all the various functional departments in the organizations. The cross-functional team operate individually, but they including all the members from insider of the organization or outsiders, such as from the supplier, from the part supplier. But to combine a cross-functional team, here actually 4 prerequisites. The first one is commitment of top management and provision of clear goals. Because have a clear goal and the team concept is a prerequisite to become a winning team. The second prerequisite is that trust among members. Without trust needs, no good work could be achieved. The third one is cross-functional cooperation. Members need to share information that they would not share before. Without sharing the information, how a team could run, how a team could operate individually to be successful team. The last prerequisite is that time and training. For any team, members need time to get used to other members' working style. They need to know their team members. They need to know everything of this team, and then they can working together to make a successful product. My name is Yao. This is the introduction of 3 methods of organizing product management, and this is my lecture.